morning vlog. Welcome to my other random vlogs about daily life and my life in Switzerland, things I do, not do, how I live, and yeah, fun stuff at times. Today is one of those days when it's raining, cats and dogs outside. It's absolutely unbelievable, just like a little shower is turned on, and I have to stay at home and do home stuff because it's a perfect day for those home stuff things. So I'm thinking in this vlog to kind of drag you along my home stuff, but also in this vlog we'll get a chance to just have random conversations. I have planned to do kitchen and I have planned to do bathroom, and the way I wanted to structure my vlogs, that there'll be one vlog about my kitchen sorting and so on, and another one will be basically bathroom rummaging. And because our main piece of furniture that we ordered, sorry, I got distracted. Nasika's been right here with me. Yes, darling. Anyway, as I was saying, I wanted to structure the vlogs according to when the piece of furniture will arrive, the commode for the TV station, which is right there. But the delivery is delayed and it just messed up everything. So in this vlog we're just gonna stay at home, chill, and I'm gonna rummage through my bathroom and talk about my empties because I have to do it at some point. So it will be slightly chatty daily vlog. Here you go. And today is Monday. I think it's the 20th of May, I gotta check. I have nothing special previewed for today, but I start my things tomorrow. So today, luckily, I get a very cool, chilled Monday. That's why I'm pretty much in my pajamas, which is slightly ridiculous, but let me show you. So yeah, outfit of the day. Pajamas. I got this from my mom. She sent me all these goodies from Las Vegas. Like, I receive a box every now and then, which is amazing. I actually love my family in this way because they send me cool stuff, as those slippers. But I'm also somehow wearing my rain boots because I'm every now and then going outside, and yeah. So first on the agenda today, I got to change the water in these flowers. I got them for my birthday and they are amazing, but after some time I need to change water. And oh my god, I do have this whole kitchen leftover mess because oops, we were slightly lazy over the weekend. And yeah, yesterday I was walking for almost 5 hours with the neighbor, so I couldn't care less. I just left everything as it is here. So there are some kitchen duties. If you hear some rain noises in the background, it is a little river that we have just nearby the house, and it is raining. So yeah, wow, amazing day, honestly, can't tell you. Hello there. I'm in the bathroom currently, and the reason why I'm in the bathroom because I decided to do the beauty empties and that means that I need to rummage through my bathroom drawers and little cabinets. That's where I keep my things. I have nice mirrors here. But basically I've been collecting little things that are almost over. For example, yep, this is over. I could use it today probably. So I need to clear out everything. I don't know why I have this empty stuff here, but a lot to go through. This is almost empty, almost, oh no, this is still fine. So yeah, this drawer is normally fine, but I'll go through it again. But this one will be the one that I want to tackle today. So what do we have in here? This is shampoo with hemp. There's lots of stuff in there. There's shampoo as well. There are some plugs. Well, let's have a look. Just random creams, stuff. That's already one bag of empties. Let me take it out for you. Here we go. So I started to collect already all the little products that I've used and that are empty. White tea and bergamot, freesia, body milk. Loved it. So these are all the empties I've been collecting because I have an idea in mind to make a little empties vlog. I probably don't have the most flattering angle right now, but you get the point. The point is that I'm gonna go through the drawers, go through these drawers, and then I will be very satisfied with my job because I'm a little hoarder in a way. I keep a lot of stuff, and it recently came to my attention that a lot of things might have been expired already. Let me check, for example. Let's take this topical gel that's for muscles. Analgesic cream, ideal, blah blah blah. Anyway, not the point. Let me try to find expiry date. Anyway, I have to look through this because yeah, I have things here that might be there for the past 2 years, probably expired. So yeah, and I'm gonna light the candle. I got a new one recently in our shop in Montreux. Just a basic ginger lily candle. And I'm sorry for my looks and the fact I'm in the bathroom. You've probably seen this bathroom already in my previous vlogs, but here I am just doing my home rummaging. I'm gonna light the candle and attack this little drawer, and the rest looks pretty. By the way, if anything, I was always looking for a plant. Anyway, I was looking for a plant that can survive in like dark areas, dark rooms like bathrooms, and I found the perfect one. If you see this, you will immediately recognize it. There it is. And it's a perfect plant for the bathroom. You only need to water it every couple weeks, and the rest it stays humid and cool. So, very chatty vlog, as I told you, but let me rummage through my empties right now, and I will get back to you, show you what I'm doing next. Okay?
I need a change. I need for something to happen to me without a warning. Walking the same steps every morning. I see all the same faces, but I don't even know them. I
this is the box of empties, the bag of empties that I told you about. This is all to throw away because it's either expired or finished, but mostly expired. So I'm gonna have to empty all of these bottles and then recycle. And altogether I will talk about these products perhaps in my next one of my other vlogs. So far looks very nice and tidy. I have here my extra nail polish and nail colors like that, and over here I have some of the tools, charger. It looks empty because usually I have a basket like that here and I need one extra or maybe two extra of different kind. So that's it for now, but the point is I'm getting rid of the things that are expired. So far here everything is more or less that I'm using, so that's still alright. But I've got the toothpaste that my friends left here. I got it for them as a little gift surprise from Switzerland. We really like this toothpaste. I talked about it before. I really like this brand, it's amazing. Curaprox, I have the Candy Lover, and this one was Explorer. So yeah, that's it for the bathroom sorting so far. Everything else seems to be all right in place. Oh well, as you can see, I brought everything downstairs. If you know I'm downstairs, I in our bathroom shower in our bedroom area in our lovely confusing house. And I decided, since I'm going through the things, that I'm gonna do it here as well. And in this bathroom, I mean, we use it more often than, actually it's confusing because when we do have guests, we don't use that bathroom, that's for guests. But when we are at home alone, we like to take a bath there and everything. So I thought that I will come here as well and look into all of the little things. I mean, obviously it's mixed with Dominic's and mine, but I already know that this is an empty one, so I can take it right away. I wanted to keep it for my empties just to show the kind of stuff. Yeah, some of my favorite things that I use on a daily basis, but this is finished, so I will have to put it aside. And I know this is almost finished, that is finished for sure, so I'm just gonna have to go through each single thing. And here we have a walking shower. I'm walking in my shoes right now, but we have a thing hanging like that, and right now it's a mess, and I know for sure that this has to be thrown away. And this I know that Dominic isn't using, I'm not using, even though I like Molten Brown very much. Yeah, this particular was not our favorite, and it's a shampoo, so I don't know. I guess I have to throw it away because it's been there for a couple of years now. And yeah, I'll look into all of the things here. I recently got dry shampoo for us to try. Well, I can open it with one hand. And yeah, it looks like that, just like soap. And apparently it's very, very good and healthy for your hair, obviously. Right, as I was saying, the shampoo, dry shampoo, perfect. Anyway, I'm gonna continue with my bathroom challenge. It's not really a challenge, I'm just doing very tiny steps at a time, because if I start to do it really, really big time, I have to make a big mess. And I don't want to make a big mess. So there it is. Let's go on. Oh yeah, that's the toothpaste. Almost there. Why everything is falling down today? I don't know. That's another one. Yay, another Curaprox. Daydreamer. Almost empty. So yeah. I was wondering why does it feel so easy, this sorting thing, because I forgot to mention that there is another chest of drawers right here under the sink. Ta-da! There it is, there it is. The hoarder's paradise. Everything has to be checked, even this foot cream. And ta-da! 12 months after the day of opening, so. And there's lots of stuff in there, you see, dark corners. Voila, I'm gonna go do that, and I hope you guys don't mind my random vlog like that. So tomorrow I'm going down to Montreux and hopefully take you along with me to the meetings and stuff, and update you on the weather and the scenery around that. So far, that's it. That's the plan. I'm gonna do that in between because I have a nice day at home today, and soonish. You see, it's so dark, and actually it's not that late. It's not that late. Well, I'm just I didn't do our bed today. Yeah, because the time is just gray and yeah, blah. All right, talk to you later. It's next day, guys. It's next day, and I'm still wearing the same loungy things. I don't know why I'm sounding so quiet, because it's actually a quiet day again. It's Tuesday. It's been raining today the whole day again, although it does look very bright because it's a daytime. It's not even, yeah, it's just around 3 o'clock. And yesterday I was rummaging around my beauty drawers and bathroom drawers, and I managed to do a nice clear out, so I will show it to you later. And in the meantime I was just yeah, we were clearing the kitchen, all that. Dominic is doing his thing, and I am doing my soup. It doesn't look like soup, still preparation. Hold on a second. Sorry, it's a bit noisy, but lots of noises. So that was the train passing by. I'm making soup, so sorry for the noise. We have the vent and the noises, and I'm doing chicken broth. Sorry, it is not the most pleasing sight. I'm making the soup, so chicken bouillon first. And first of all, you basically boil some chicken. I've got at least 12 wings here, so I boil that in a big pot, and then you have to clear whatever's yucky stuff coming out. So I've got my little thing here, and I pick it out. So that's so far it. That's what I'm up to. Nothing much. We watched Game of Thrones yesterday, and I'm happy with the ending, so pretty good. Lots of opinions, I guess there will be, but c'est la vie. Yeah, that's about it so far for today, and I need to catch up with my stuff because it's been, see, my voice is quiet because it's been just rainy, and I've been pushing myself to do things, but I've been doing good so far. I even have all my candles. If you remember, I was doing my own candles, so all of this bag is my hoarder's bag. where I store leftover jars, which I'm planning to reuse again, but I don't know how yet. And that's a box of stuff from Tuzo, the shop that you've seen before. Dominic likes to shop there as well. I like to shop there very much for home stuff. So we have stuff here, so that will be all in my upcoming vlog once that commode is finally in. I seriously cannot wait. I want to have all of this colors and mumbo jumbo out of the site and so on. But yeah, I mean, it's not bad, but you can see the dark cloud hanging there, and it's just slow dripping rain. On the bright side, it's nice and fresh. Currently, the soup is resting, and let's just have a sneak peek. Lovely. Getting better. Hopefully you will be able to see it when it's done. And I am, in the meantime, forcing myself, because seriously, I'm sorry, this is a complaining vlog a little bit, but I'm trying to inspire myself to sort and clear up and all that, because it's raining, so I'm apparently using the time wisely, because if it wouldn't be sunny, I'll be very annoyed with myself. And lucky we have good weather forecast for tomorrow, so hopefully some more sun, which inspired me to take opportunity and sort my summer clothes and all that. So I'm in our guest room. Currently we do not have any visitors, so I'm using this room as a sorting room. As you can see, took out all the things, and I'm just going through things. For example, let me show you. I found this box with lovely home towels that my mom sent me ages ago, but I kept them in the box for some reason. So I think the time is to take it out and use it. Looks very beautiful. I probably will give it a rinse in the wash, but it's just lovely. Thank you, mommy. What else? My winter bags, my homeware, as you can see. Oh my goodness, yes, you can see. I'm wearing Japanese socks because it's actually quite still chilly. I need to throw these ones away, they're horrible. Need to get new ones. And sorting, these are not to stay, they are basically the shoes that I'm keeping because of memories. I've got these ones for almost 15 years. These ones I got for my friend's wedding about 12 years ago. These ones I'm keeping, maybe I'm gonna wear, but they're a little bit too tight, so we'll see. And I've got my summer sandals here as well. These ones are coming out for sure. They were really cool. They're awesome. Oh my god, they'll be amazing. And these ones, I guess they are to go. A bit too small, a bit too small. Yep. What else? Sorting through here. It's a sorting vlog, so here I have my empty cosmetic bags that I keep. I need to sort all of this junk because I thought we would be moving, so I kept these for storing. I need to take my iron to the technician. Yeah, winter store away. And here I have my summer clothes, mostly, and the majority of it. So I'm gonna take it out and see how to style it and so on. For example, I'm taking out these trousers already. I think they look very cool overall, and I'm also taking out this bag. And over here we have snorkel mask, beach towel. So I'm preparing, guys. I'm preparing for better days, even though, I mean, kind of looks nice, but hold on, I'll open the window for you. It's a little bit noisy outside because we have a busy road just down, but you get the views. The view we have is just amazing. It's the best view ever. We're blessed. We are blessed. Hey there. Hello, darlings. I'm in Montreux and I'm walking down to one of the little jetties by the lake where I like to take pictures sometimes, drink coffee, and it's really cute. All the birds are out and singing. I'm wearing my jumpsuit that I got recently, and check out my favorite space here. Let me turn the camera. That's my favorite jetty where I like to jump off it into the lake straight out here. Summertime is gonna be amazing. And right here we have a little sports club, but more nautical, so it's anything to do with boats, and they've opened already. This is so exciting. My favorite place. Not too close here. Normally it's a very relaxing place. I like to come here to chill right by the lake, and I'm so happy that that season when you can come and swim and tan and do all the summer stuff. I'm so happy the season is on. I'm just sitting here on the tiny little jetty along the lake in Montreux. It's not very sunny, but I can feel it, and I forgot my sunglasses, obviously. I have a meeting later on, just about an hour. I had dentist earlier to pull out the stitches from my wisdom tooth that was taken out earlier, so that's about it. And later on I have a meeting and I'll be busy all afternoon for my projects and business stuff. So right now I'm just gonna chill and enjoy and be happy that warm season is here. Yes, Dominique. My girlfriend is a hoarder, but for a good cause. Remember how nice it was? This all the candles that
Absolutely.
we saved, and then we reused them and used this Asian chopsticks. What is this? Oh, these are the covers for this one. So I'm gonna keep some of them. I guess this ones have to go now. Because, and then...
Keep some, but not all.
Well, I need to clean them. I need to put hot water inside, like really boiling hot water into each and single one for the wax to sort of lift up, and then I can throw it away. Music couldn't pick a better moment to go poopy. Oh well, that is life. So it's Thursday today, just to update on the weekly vlog. And oh, you did it already, perfectly. We need to take the blanket, our winter blanket, to the... Yeah, sorry, yeah, the noise. Sorry, we were interrupted. So basically, here's my hoarder's collection of candle jars, so you can imagine how much candles we used. But this I've collected over the past 2-3 years, so yeah, I think it's all right. It's not too bad. I'm only keeping these candles, the jars, candle jars, and as you can see, or you cannot, I'm not sure, I'm adding hot water, so that's water, and the wax starts to build up, and after some time you will be able to basically take it off. It will create a film on the surface of water, so I need to fill this up still with water. And yeah, I'm gonna clean them up, store them away. I quite like those, this is my favorite. And we'll see if I can order candle wax online so I can do my own candles, because I really like it. And yeah, we can add